Do you believe in second chances? Ako kasi, naniniwala ako hindi lang sa second chance, kundi sa multiple chances. Kasi habang nabubuhay tayo dito sa mundo, we have many chance or multiple chance to be a better person, to make the right thing, na maging accountable tayo sa mga kasalanan natin. It is also a part of growing, maturing. Ako kasi, I give or always give multiple chances to everyone, especially to those people that I love, I cared about. But my chances has limits. Kasi pinapasok mo sila sa buhay mo, pinakilala mo sa pamilya mo, and then every time that they betrayed you or you got disappointed, naapektuhan din yung pamilya mo, and you have also to protect your loved ones. But kung yung taong yon hindi ka nabibigyan ng chance, be a better person na lang sa susunod mong makikilala. So you have to start all over again because I need time to heal for myself and forgive you and forgive myself. That's all.